Vitamin A. What does it actually do? Vitamin A is a nutrient important to vision, growth, cell division, reproduction, and immunity. It also protects your cells against the effects of free radicals, molecules produced when our body breaks down food or is exposed to such things as tobacco smoke or radiation. Two forms of vitamin A are available in the human diet: preformed vitamin A and provitamin A carotenoids. Preformed vitamin A is found in foods from animal sources including dairy products, fish, and meat, especially liver. By far the most important provitamin A carotenoid is beta-carotene, which is converted to vitamin A in our body. The top 3 foods for getting vitamin A are carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach. Vitamin B1. What does it actually do? Vitamin B1, also called thiamine, is a nutrient that's essential for our body's metabolism. It helps convert food into energy. It is also involved in many cellular processes and is critical for our nervous system. Thiamine is heat sensitive, meaning it is destroyed by cooking. It is also water soluble, so when you cook food in water, some of it is lost in the cooking water. The top 3 foods for getting vitamin B1 are sunflower seeds, pine nuts, and pistachios. But many whole grain foods, fish and meat contain a decent amount of thiamine, so you don't need to be worried. Vitamin B2. What does it actually do? Vitamin B2, also called riboflavin, is a nutrient that is essential for metabolic energy production. It is important for body growth and helps in red blood cell production. Riboflavin is sensitive to light but resistant to heat, meaning it is not destroyed by cooking. The top 3 foods for getting vitamin B2 are cheese, eggs, and lentils. Vitamin B3. What does it actually do? Vitamin B3, also called niacin, is a nutrient that is essential for metabolic energy production. It is important for the regeneration of skin, muscles, nerves, and DNA repair. The top 3 foods for getting vitamin B3 are peanuts, chicken breast, and tuna. But most foods contain a good amount of niacin, so that a deficiency should not be an issue for most of us. Vitamin B5. What does it actually do? Vitamin B5, also called pantothenic acid, is a nutrient that is essential to help the body convert food into energy. In addition to playing a role in the breakdown of fats and carbohydrates for energy, vitamin B5 is critical to the manufacturing of red blood cells as well as sex and stress-related hormones produced in the adrenal glands. Some studies show that a derivative of vitamin B5 might help lower LDL cholesterol and raise HDL cholesterol. Preliminary evidence suggests that pantothenic acid might improve symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis, but the evidence so far is weak. The top 3 foods for getting vitamin B5 are shiitake mushrooms, white button mushrooms, and salmon. Vitamin B6. What does it actually do? Vitamin B6, also called pyridoxine, is a nutrient that helps convert tryptophan to niacin, vitamin B3, and serotonin, a neurotransmitter that plays a key role in regulating sleep, appetite, and mood. Furthermore, it helps make red blood cells and influences our cognitive abilities and immune function. A vitamin B6 deficiency can cause anemia, a condition in which you don't have enough healthy red blood cells to carry adequate amounts of oxygen to your body's tissues, as well as confusion, depression, and a weakened immune system. The top 3 foods for getting vitamin B6 are pistachios, salmon, and chicken breast. Biotin. What does it actually do? Biotin, also called vitamin B7 or vitamin H, is an important component of enzymes that break down substances in your body like fats, carbohydrates, and amino acids. It helps convert food into energy and synthesize glucose. Biotin also helps keep your skin, hair, eyes, liver, and nervous system healthy. It is also crucial during pregnancy as it's important for embryonic growth. The top 3 foods for getting vitamin B7 are egg yolk, soybeans, and sunflower seeds. Folic acid. What does it actually do? Vitamin B9, also known as folate or folic acid, is a vitamin that is crucial for proper brain function and plays an important role in mental and emotional health. It aids in the production of DNA and RNA, the body's genetic material, and is especially important when cells and tissues are growing rapidly, such as in infancy, adolescence, and pregnancy. Folic acid also works closely with vitamin B12 to help make red blood cells and help iron work properly in the body. A folic acid deficiency is fairly common, so pay attention to adequate intake. The top 3 foods for getting folic acid are peanuts, sunflower seeds, and lentils. Vitamin B12. What does it actually do? Vitamin B12, also called cobalamin, protects nerve function, helps make red blood cells, and plays an essential role in the production of DNA, the molecules inside cells that carry our genetic information. The top 3 foods for getting vitamin B12 are clams, tuna, and king crab. Vitamin B12 is mostly found in animal food sources, so vegetarians are especially at risk of a deficiency. But if you're really looking for plant sources, you may look to seaweed or shiitake mushrooms. Vitamin C. What does it actually do? Vitamin C is a nutrient your body needs to form blood vessels, cartilage, muscle, and collagen in bones. Vitamin C is vital to your body's healing process and immune system. It also acts as an antioxidant, neutralizing unstable molecules that can damage cells. The top 3 foods for getting vitamin C are guavas, bell peppers, and kiwis. If you're not sure which fruits and vegetables available to you are rich in vitamin C, you can never go wrong with citrus fruits. Choline. What does it actually do? Choline is an essential nutrient that helps make and release the neurotransmitter acetylcholine, which aids in many nerve and brain activities. Although our liver makes small amounts, we need to get choline from our diet to avoid a deficiency. Choline impacts liver function, healthy brain development and cognitive ability, muscle movement, our nervous system, and metabolism. The top 3 foods for getting choline are eggs, shrimp, and salmon. Vitamin D. What does it actually do? Vitamin D is a nutrient your body needs for building and maintaining healthy bones. Your body can only absorb calcium, the primary component of bone, when vitamin D is present. Its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and neuroprotective properties support immune health, muscle function, and brain cell activity. Your body makes vitamin D when direct sunlight converts a chemical in your skin into an active form of the vitamin. The top 3 foods for getting vitamin D are herring, eel, and salmon, and generally all kinds of fatty fish. If you don't eat fish, egg yolks are a good source of vitamin D3 as well. Vitamin E. What does it actually do? Vitamin E is a nutrient that's important to vision, reproduction, and the health of your blood, brain, and skin. A review of dietary intake studies reported that a higher consumption of vitamin E-rich foods potentially lowers the risk of developing dementia. The top 3 foods for getting vitamin E are sunflower seeds, almonds, and pine nuts. Vitamin K. What does it actually do? Vitamin K is a nutrient that's important to bone health and the production of essential blood clotting proteins. Vitamin K1 is made by plants and is found in the highest amounts in green leafy vegetables because it is directly involved in photosynthesis. Your intestinal bacteria also make a form of vitamin K that accounts for half of your requirements. The top 3 foods for getting vitamin K are kale, Brussels sprouts, and broccoli.